Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from XMO to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding XDC on XMO and want to move it to Gemini for better security or trading options, you're in the right place. XDC, or Zinfand's digital currency, is a popular blockchain asset, and transferring it between exchanges like XMO and Gemini is straightforward once you know the steps. This guide assumes you already have accounts on both platforms and some XDC in your XMO wallet. Let's keep things simple and safe. First things first, why do this in 2025? With evolving crypto regulations and new features on exchanges, it's smarter than ever to manage your assets efficiently. Start by logging into your XMO account. Head over to the Wallets section and select your XDC balance. Here, you'll find the withdrawal option. Click that to begin. Next, open your Gemini account in another tab. Go to the Deposit section and select XDC. Gemini will generate a unique deposit address for you. Make sure it's for the correct network, like the XDC network, to avoid any issues. Copy this address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on XMO, paste the Gemini deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Double-check for any minimum limits or fees, and review the transaction details. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security, always a good idea in the crypto world. Once submitted, the transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the deposit to appear. Pro tip: use tools like Blockchain Explorers to track your transaction in real time. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify everything twice. Also, be aware of potential gas fees or exchange fees that could eat into your amount. If you're new to this, start with a small transfer to test the waters. By following these steps, you'll have your XDC safely on Gemini in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay secure out there.